In the blink of an eye, you're transported back to the early 19th century. The world is on the cusp of a communication revolution. Enter the typewriter, a marvel of mechanical ingenuity. Invented by Christopher Latham Scholes in 1868, this game-changer transformed the way we communicate. Scholes' design, with its quirky QWERTY keyboard, was an attempt to prevent mechanical jams. Fast forward to the 20th century, and the typewriter has evolved. Electric models like the IBM Selectric brought ease and speed, but the dawn of the digital age was approaching. By the late 1980s, computers began to outshine the humble typewriter, yet its legacy remains. The typewriter shaped our modern keyboard and forever altered the rhythm of writing. In a world of touchscreens and voice recognition, let's remember the clatter of keys that started it all. The typewriter, a true icon of innovation. Loop back if you want to relive this journey.